Okay, the fact table is nothing but numeric values. For example, that I can say this is a fact table. Okay, so sales information is there, right? So I can say this is a fact table. So by seeing the table itself, you can say this is a fact table. So what information the fact table contains? So where you can be do some of the aggregations. Okay, where you can be do some of the aggregated values. So you can do like some count, okay, minimum, maximum number, so kind of like measurements we can be created through that table. So that I can say fact tables. Okay, fact tables is nothing but a numeric values case, okay, where we can perform some of the aggregation activities. Okay, so that is a fact table. So by seeing itself we can understand if the table have more numeric values like this. Okay, like this, if you have that, you can find out like a fact table. Dimension tables, dimension table nothing but a where we can do like where it contains the attribute information or detailed level of attributes. Okay, so that is a dimension table. For example, so the dimension table can be like a product information, like product information, or any any location, territory. Okay, so kind of, so for example, I have location table. Okay, this is location table, location ID, location name, location code, area. So this kind of information tables I can say dimension tables. Okay, so for example, location ID. Okay, location ID means it can be, see, all locations has pin codes, right? So kind of information. So location ID I can say P005. Okay, location name is TPT, I mean Tirupati. Location code I can say C005. Area is uh, kind of town, right? Kind of information. So this is one example. Okay, location table can be location name, location code. So you can see that in future, and any product information. Okay, product. So this is a product table. Product, product name, product color, size, product ID. Okay, so kind of tables. So this is one table, guys. Okay, this is one table, location table, and this is one table called product table. Okay, so this is product. So product can be t-shirt. So product can be men's wear. Product color can be white. Size can be medium. Product can be P0124, kind of. Okay, so if you purchase any product, guys, you can see product code. Okay, if you go and do any shopping, so you can see any product, any whatever it is. Okay, it will be considered with the code. So if you take the any location, the location code, if you like for our hometown also there is a pin code, right? So there is a pin code, there is a national code, there is a city code. So there are a lot of things. Okay, with that code only they can be identify that particular product at particular location. Okay, Next, so that is one example on like a dimension. So there is a different okay dimension table. So if you see here the dimension table, it contains only product code. Okay, the product table can contains a product code. The location can contains location code, kind of. Okay, kind of information the dimension table contains. Okay, if you go to the fact table, so fact table how it looks, location id, product code, price, cost, cost, quantity, order date, return id, quantity, and profit, like this. Okay, that fact table looks like this, guys. Okay, okay. So location id can be, so P001, product code can be P005, price can be 10, cost can be 9, quantity can be 2, order order date can be 01/01/2022, return id can be or or 02, something like that. Profit can be 1 rupee. Okay, so kind of information fact table contains. Okay, next, so any product, any location. Okay, P00 is one location, so T001 is one location. Product can be t-shirt, so T001. So price can be 15 rupees or 5 rupees. Cost can be 4 rupees. Quantity 1. Order date 01/02/2022. So return not applicable. And profit can be 1 rupee. So like this. So you can see the difference here. Okay, you can see the difference here. The fact tables contains more numeric values. Okay, in real time also you'll face same scenarios case. Okay, the fact table contains more numeric values. So what I can do here, I can do sum, right, with this price, sum of amount I can get, sum of cost I can get, total quantity I get. Okay, so what is a profit I got, correct? So but information here in dimension tables, if you see, then location id, it has location name, location code, area. If you see the product dimension table, product, product name, product color, size, product id. Okay, so this dimension table contains attribute information. Attribute in the sense the product, guys. Okay, the products. Okay, the detail level information. Okay, so for example, if you have dimension table, if you, but you don't have fact table, means you can't identify for this dimension values without this fact table. You have fact table but you don't have dimension table, means you can't identify what product it is. Okay, for example, here location id is there, okay, p005, p005 is there, and here product code is there, um, T0124, something like that. Okay, so T0124. So here price it has 15 rupees. The cost is 13 rupees. The quantity can be 3. The order date something like 0201 2021, something like that. Okay. So return ID also not applicable. So profit can be like 2 rupees or something. Okay. Now if you see this, if you see this table, so when this table join with this fact table, when this table join with the fact table, the star schema will be built. Okay, centralized fact table. Okay, the surrounding joining with the dimension tables. That is called star schema, guys. Okay, so see when this table I'll join with this. See, this is a location ID. So this location ID, it will be joined with this location id, so I'll highlight with this one. Okay, so this location id will join with this location id. Okay, so that is primary key foreign key relationship base. Okay, the fact table dimension table contains primary key foreign key relationship, and this product id will be joined with this product code. Okay, now you can see here, when this location id will be joined with this fact table, I mean this dimension table id joined with this fact table id. So here you can see p001 will go and check here what is my information belongs to here. Okay, this p001 will come and check, is there any p001? Yes, it's there. Okay, so this location is matching, then it will go through this record. Okay, so the product is this, the product code is this, the price is this, the cost is this quantity is this, the order date is this. Okay, the profit is this. Okay, if you check what is the price of this 15 rupees. Okay, so which table it's joining and which location it's coming from. So for example, this table has individual, guys, you don't have these two tables. Okay, so it's just saying that, okay, location is this, product code is this, price is this. So what kind of, which product it is, what cost it is, what location it is belongs to, right? So until unless you're not joining with these dimension tables, you can't understand what product it is and what location it is. Correct? So when I join this table, for example, when I join this location table, I can understand, okay, this is a price of this location id and this product code. Okay, the price is 10 rupees, what product it is. Okay, when this column join with this, I can understand, okay, the product here is t-shirt. Okay, so when this location id join with this location dimension table, I can understand, okay, this is from Tirupati, tpt. Okay, this product t-shirt is price is 10 rupees, the cost is 9 rupees. Okay, fine. So if the tables are individual, I can't get the information, right? Correct, all of you? Yeah, so this is how the real-time scenarios and the dimension table and fact tables information. Okay, so just remember the fact table contains numerical values. Okay, like the numerical values means you can see price, cost, quantity, order date, return id, profit, and the dimension tables columns also will be available. Okay, the columns in the sense, the column which you're going to be joined with the dimension table, that columns like common columns, guys. This product id is there, right? It can be product code. Here location id is there, here location id. Okay, so it the fact table is ready to join with the dimension tables with these codes. Okay, and the product table, sorry, in the dimension table contains attribute informations. Okay, attributes in the sense things. Okay, that can be product, it indicates that thing information. Okay, it can be location, it can be product, it can be area, it can be territory, whatever it is. Okay, it contains kind of information. Any doubts here? What is the dimension table and fact table? All of you?
No, sir.
Cool. Fine. Now star schema. Okay, in Power BI or any data model, these schemas are very common, guys. Okay, so I'm taking you an example. So I have some other data here. Desktop, desktop data. So all are has downloaded the data, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, bro.
Okay. Okay. So if you see kind of information here, so what table you can call this? All of you, what table you can call this?
Dimension.
This is dimension table. So it's indicating, see customer table it is. So customer ID, customer name, contact name, address, city, postal code, country. Okay. So this table belongs to dimension table and this is a customer information. So what aggregate functions I can perform here? Can I do I perform any sum, count, min, max kind of information?
No,
No,
sir.
right? Because the information here is the information here is attribute information, some detailed level of information of the customer, correct? So who is the customer, what is his name, what is city belongs to, kind of information I have, correct? This table. Okay, so this tables contain dimension table and the dimension table looks like this. Okay, that is the dimension table has detailed level of information of the attributes, guys. That is a definition dimension table. Okay, so category. So if you see the category, so this is also dimension table only. See, this is also dimension table only. Correct? It's presenting category ID, category name, description. Okay. So this is also dimension table. Employee. So this is the employee table. So what employee table contains? Employee ID, last name, first name, date of birth, photo, notes. Okay. So this information contains, correct? So this employee table contains. So this is also dimension table only, right? Employee ID is also dimension table only. Okay. Order details. This one,
Fact.
this is fact table. Okay, this is fact table. See, this is fact table. Ordered ID, order details ID, order ID, product ID, quantity. Okay, this I can say fact table. Okay, next order details table. This one. Okay, next orders. So this one,
Fact.
this is also order date, customer ID, method, employee ID, shipper ID. Okay, so here if you see, okay, you can't say this is a fact table. Okay, this looks like with numbers. Okay, this looks like with numbers, but which not perform for the aggregations. Am I right? See what count you can do here. So you can do count of employee IDs you can do, but there is no things like where you can perform sum of sales, okay, sum of price, some of the cost, some of the budget kind of information you can't perform, but it looks like a fact table as well as it will behave as a dimension table, correct? Correct guys. So you can see order ID is there, okay, but this order ID you can utilize as a count or something like that, okay, but it's this table behaves indirect fact tables. Okay, this is not pure fact table, but indirectly it behave as a fact table. Okay, but this is pure fact table. Okay, this one. Okay, see, order ID is there. When you join this order ID with the order details table, you will get the customer ID name, customer name, location, shipper code kind of information. Correct? Correct, guys? And there is a shipper. This one is a fact or dimension table.
table.
Fact or dimension.
Dimension.
Dimension table, okay,
Diamond.
and it's indicating shipper name, phone number, okay. Next, suppliers. I'll tell you how to make it join, what is the difference here. Just understand the tables, how looks fact table and dimension tables. This one,
Dimension table.
this is dimension table, so it's indicating supplier ID, supplier name, contact name, address, city, postal code, country, phone number, okay. This is also dimension table. Product, this one,
Dimension table. Fact is right.
Indirect fact.
Fact is
Fact table.
yeah, so this one the product is there, right? So it's indicating product name, okay, as well as price also, okay. So sometimes the fact tables contains with the some of the dimension table scenarios also, okay, it's contains the same table also, okay, instead of coming different tables, the data comes in the same table also, okay. So this I can consider as a fact table because the product also is there as well as price also available here, okay. So let's see how this table going to be worked with, okay. So now you can see here this product ID is there, okay, and this is product name, supplier ID, category ID, unit, price, okay. So in this table this has the price as well as product name, okay. Now just observe guys, so I have fact tables as well as dimension tables, okay. In real time also you'll get fact tables and dimension tables, so you have to identify either it can be fact, either it can be dimension, okay. So in interview also they will ask what is the fact table, what is the dimension table. The fact table contains the numeric values more where we can perform aggregation functions, okay, sum, count, min, max kind of information, okay. And the fact table contains foreign key guys, okay. The fact table contains foreign key, the dimension table contains primary key. So let's see what is the primary key, what is a foreign key, okay. Now I'll just take an example. Mm, okay, I'll take this product ID. So before that, I'll apply the filters. Data. Just observe. Okay. So I have product ID here. Okay, I have product ID. I just filter one product ID here. Okay. So this is product, one product. Okay, product ID. So go and check where this product ID available and other tables. Okay. So this product ID. It's not available. Let's see in other tables. Product ID here. Okay, the product ID is available here. Okay, so just bit of filter. So I'll take product ID one. It's available, right? This product ID. Okay. Now you just see. I just filter here product ID. Okay, this product ID. So here this product ID this product id only one record is available, whereas in order details, okay, this product id is contain many. So when I join this product table with the product id and this order details with the product id, how many products I'm getting here? Number of products I'm getting, correct? The products are repeating, right? Okay. See, this product ID here is one, whereas in order details I have this many product ID. Okay. Now I can consider this is a dimension table. Okay. This is a dimension table. This is a fact table. Okay. One to many relationship, guys. Okay. This product ID will go and check how many orders I got. Okay. How many orders I got in this fact table. So here see, this many orders are there on this product. Got it? So this is, I can say, primary key, guys. Primary key. This is contains foreign key. Okay. So they will ask you what is primary key, foreign key. Primary key is unique record. Foreign key is the reference of these records. Okay. Primary key is the unique record. Foreign key is the reference of these records. Okay. Any doubts, guys? The dimension table and fact table relationship. See, this product ID is a dimension table. It will go and check in this fact table how many orders I got. Okay, so this many this orders got. Okay, so for example, and one more example, guys. If you take in real time other real time scenarios, okay, so there is a Amazon, okay, Amazon or Flipkart, the best example of the fact table and dimension tables. You have product table. Okay, the product table can be okay, product name, product name, product ID, um, color, kind of. Okay, so product names. So this is a dimension table, guys. Okay, this is the dimension table. Just understand. Product name can be phone, laptop, um, camera, and TV, kind of. Okay. So the product ID can be E001, E001. The laptop can be L001. The camera can be C005. The TV can be T00 or T214, kind of. Okay. The color can be black. Laptop is white. Camera can be high-end color, right? So it can be gray. TV can be now. So many orders in Flipkart. We see the Flipkart announce these products are going to be sale. Okay, in online. So you can also purchase. I can also purchase. Okay, this product information. Correct. This product anybody can purchase. It doesn't mean I only purchase only this product. Okay. So for example, so the order sales has started. Now so many people will be order this information. Okay. So this dimension table contains this information. Okay. This dimension table contains this information. Now when this order has been started, the fact table will get created. Okay. The fact table like product ID, product ID, uh, price, product ID, price, cost, discount, quantity, order date, order date, ship date. Okay, so like this, the information can be available in fact table. Okay, now this this order so many people can see and review. They're going to be start purchasing this product. Okay, so this product ID, I'm interested, I'm purchasing. Okay, so customer name also. Okay, customer name also. So this product, the price is 100 rupees, the cost is 90 rupees, the discount is 5 rupees, the quantity is 2, the order date is 01/01/2021. Such information. Ship date can be, so order date, ship date can be different size. So 02/01/2022. The customer is Imran here. Okay. The same product, some other can be purchased, correct? The same product. So someone can purchase this on Sayyid. Okay, same product. I can some other person also can purchase. Right? The order date can be different. Okay. So here, Asif. Okay. So same product, Kiran also can purchase. So the order date can be different. The cost, whatever it is. Okay. So if you find here, the product is single in dimension table, but in fact table is repeating because the product information like the fact tables, it's repeating the records like the customers can be increased here. So in fact table only unique records will be available. In fact table there is a duplicate records, guys. Okay, now again, so camera. Okay, camera code here is 02. So this can be purchased by some other people. The cost can be 150. Sorry, the price can be 150, cost is 140, the discount is 20, the quantity is 1, the order date can be 01/01/2022. So the ship date can be 05/01/2022. Okay, so it can be someone XYZ person. Okay, then same way, control C, control V. So it can be Hanifa. So the same product can be purchased by someone like um anybody. Okay, why something. Okay. Now if you see, compared to the dimension table, the fact table is big, correct? And this dimension table contains primary key. The fact table contains the foreign key. Okay. Now how the in real time, guys? So this is a Flipkart data, guys. Okay, this is a Flipkart data, for example. So there is a some of the sales. So they're selling these products on online, the phone and this products. Okay, so the product information contained like this, and how many pieces of that product has been sold in the, it's available in fact table. Okay, so if you see this product ID, this product ID, and here this product ID. Okay, so it will, when you will build the relationship between these two tables, the dimensionable fact table, this dimension table will join with this primary key foreign key, guys. This ID is okay, this product ID, this product ID. When it will build the relationship, this dimension table will go and check in this fact table how many sales happened on this product. Okay, so So this P001 is there. Okay, this P001. So this many products happen. Okay, and this is the data, and this is a different customers. Correct? And this phone will go and check, is there any orders on my product? No, no orders on this product. Okay. So this laptop will go and check, is there any product against your laptop? No. And this camera will go and check, this is okay. So I just load this information. I just load this information. You see this. Okay. This is okay. Okay, let's see. So I just get data, Excel workbook, desktop, test data. Okay, this is a file, right? This is a file. Okay. So in this file, again the sheet name is a data I kept. Okay. Test data, open. Okay. So I think I didn't save this. Let me save. Get data. So to extract the data, this is the path, right? So to extract any database, Excel book, test data. Okay. So test data. Okay. See guys. So these two tables are in the same sheet. So it's considering the same tables. Okay. So I'll take this one. Control X here. Okay. I'll take this one. I'll just delete this record. Okay. So let's see how it's. So this is the dimension table. Okay, this is my dimension table. This is my fact table. Okay, just remember. Okay, this dimension table, this fact table. So let's see how it works. So go to the get data. So if you want, if you get any confused, so that I'll just open new application. PowerBI. All are installed, right, guys? PowerBI application. I mean PowerBI desktop.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have any small doubt also, please ask, but don't skip. Okay, it's very important. Okay, I'm going to load this data into Power BI for my analysis. Okay, let's see that. Get data, Excel workbook. Okay, so this is the file. In this file, that sheet available. So dimension table and fact table, right? This one and this one. These two tables required, right? Correct? Just load. So, okay guys, here I have so many tables. Okay, I have so many tables here, but I am looking only two tables from this sheet. The table here is dimension table, fact table. Only these two only I'm seeing. Okay, so that you have to select only the two tables. Okay, so if you have this many, see the same table sheets are showing here. but I'm choosing only these two. Okay, just load, guys. So one more thing, I just did extraction phase, guys. Okay, extraction. So in interview they'll ask you, do you have ETL knowledge? Anybody face? Do you have any knowledge in ETL?
Extract, transform, load.
Yeah. So I think a day before yesterday I have explained you people. See, just what I have done, I loaded this data. I mean, I extracted this data into Power BI, right? Correct? What I done? I just extracted this Excel data into Power BI. So this is called extraction. Okay, this is called extraction. Extraction, pulling, whatever it is. Okay, extraction data. Okay, ETA, the symbol here E. Okay, extraction. Now see, these two tables I loaded into Power BI. Okay, these two tables I loaded into Power BI as it is. Okay, you can see here. Now in dimension table I have three columns. Correct? Column 1, column 2, column 2, column 3. But whereas here, what is the name of the columns here, guys? What is the name of the columns? This table only I loaded into Power BI, right? Correct? What is the column name here? All of you can able to see, right?
Yes, bro. P name, product ID, color.
Yeah, but why it is showing here? The same name it has to reflect, right? Product ID, product color, product code. Why it's coming like this? What about fact table? Okay, fact table.
Pro has headings.
Okay, so there is a some issue in this column, so you have to be identify and you have to fix it, right? So you have to do transform, right? You have to make it proper in shape, right? Let's see. So I understand that there is a disturbance in my table, in dimension table. Okay, fine. Once you load the data, guys, the next step here is you have to check your nature of the data. Okay, the nature of the data you have to check. Okay, so I understand the header newly added into the Power BI column 1, column 2, column 3, but it's supposed to contains product name, product ID, color, correct? So I have to do something. Now let's see the table called fact. So this is looks fine. Okay, the product ID is a price. This is looks fine. Okay, now go back here and see, guys, in model. This is dimension table. This is fact table. Okay, so I have to make proper headers here. So let's go back to the report view. Here, transform data is there, right, guys? Transform data. This option. So this is called Power Query Editor. The features available here is a transformations. Okay. Now I just extracted data. I will do. I will transform this data. Okay. I transform this data in Power Query Editor. Okay. So in interview they'll ask you what is Power Query Editor. Okay, the Power Query Editor is the transformation activity. Okay, so here you can see transform data. Just click on this transform data. Click on this transform data option. It will take you Power Query Editor. Okay, this screen will appear here. Now you can see here the tables before it was available in right side in the field section. Now it's coming in a query section the left side. Okay, so this is dimension table, this is fact table. If you want to transform the data, you can transform here. Okay, transform in the sense that you want to be modified. For example, what kind of modification? Okay, now in the dimension table, this product name has to come here, this product ID has to come here, this color has to come here, but column 1, column 2, column 3 is coming. Okay, so I want to make it in proper shape, this header. Okay, so here you can see use first row as a header. This option guys, in transform option, you can see in the transform, use first row as a header. If you click on this, now it's perfect. Product name, product ID, color. Now it's good, right? This looks fine, correct? Yeah. Now, so this power query editor is very important, guys. Okay, whenever you load the data, okay, you have to check this phone is text. Okay, but sometime you can see this is text, ABCD kind of information it is. Okay, if you see this ABC and all, you can see what data type it contains. Okay, either it can be date or text or number or numeric value. Okay, so this is looks fine, ABC. Okay, and this one product ID. So here the combination of numeric and strings are there, so that it contains ABC. Here also you can see this color black and all is a textual format. Okay, now go to the fact table. Here also the product ID it contains ABC because this combination of string and numeric. Here you can see guys, the price it's taking 123. If you check here, you want to be decimal or you want to be dollars, you want to be in percentage, you want to be in a format. Okay, these are all the data types guys. Data types in the sense the nature of that value. Okay, and this is also numeric, right? So that is showing 123, and this is also numeric, it's showing in 123. This is also numeric, it's showing in 123. And you can see here this all the dates, right? So it's showing in a date format. These values are date format, right? So it's considering as a date, and this one also in a date, and this customer name is in strings, I mean the text, so it's taking ABC. Okay, fine. Now I transform my data in proper shape. Okay, I just close and apply, close and apply. It will take you back to your main desktop. Close and apply. You can see here this column names will get reflect here, no proper way. Okay, now my tables are ready in proper shape. I'll go to data view. Okay, I can see fact table and dimension table. Fine. Now I build a relationship, guys. Okay, now let's see. Okay, it's already built. Okay, now I can see one to many relationship in real time also same things, one to many. So the relationship built between dimension table and fact table, one to many. So if you double click, if you see the arrow mark here, this one going through this one. Okay, the arrow mark moving from this side to this side, you can see. If you double click on this line, see this is a fact table, this is a dimension table. Okay, you can see the Power BI intelligence automatically build a relationship between this product ID and this product ID. Correct? It's a highlighting, you can see here, this is highlighting. Okay, and the cardinality is many to one. Okay, many to one. So many one, many means this star guys, one means this one. Okay, many to one. In interview they'll ask you how many types of cardinalities in Power BI. You can see here cardinality when you build relationship between tables. So why we need the relationship? Let's see. First make it cancel. Now I want to know how many products has been sold. Okay, how many products has been sold. For example, my requirement here is how many phones has been sold, how many laptops has been sold. I want that information. Okay, so this is dimension table, this is contain product information, and this is fact table. This contains sales information, right? Until unless if I'm not joining these two tables, I can't get information, right? Correct. Now you can see I just delete this relationship. Delete. Okay. No relationship, guys, in these tables. Okay. Just go to the front end. So take a table here. Take a table. So this is a different table. This is different table. Just load these tables. Okay. Just load. So just increase the format of this, the table format this. Okay. So values. So values I'm going to increase little bit. Okay. Next, column headers. Okay. Just for understanding. Let's see. Okay. The same table I'm taking here. I'll take from this table these columns. Okay. Okay. I'll keep it here. Just format. Okay. Just I want to increase the same format here. Just select this table, format painter, apply on this table, guys. Okay. Now I'll make it in order. This table. Okay. Customer name I want in front, or product ID I want to be in first position. Okay. After that, order date I want in third position. You can make it a drag and drop here. Okay. The ship date I want next to the order date, and the cost price I want in next to the first. Okay. Now like this. Okay. Now guys, okay, this is the, you can see this is the dimension table columns. You can see whatever columns you have selected for this table, that will highlight here. Whatever columns you've been selected for this table, I mean visualization table, guys, this one. Okay. So that will be highlighting here. Okay. Now I want to know how many phones has been sold, or how many products has been sold individually. Okay. Now let's see. When I click on this, table, so I want to know how many cameras has been sold. When I click on this, so is it reflecting, guys, here? Is it reflecting? Is it behaving based on this selection in this table? If I click on laptop, is it behaving, changing? No, right?
No,
No, because there is no relationship between table. But this product has some information like this product, camera, laptop, phone, TV. But this table contains the sales information. I mean fact table. So there is a product, but I don't know how many sales happened. Okay, until unless I'm not building the relationship between these two tables, I don't know what sells for the particular product. Okay, so go back here. Just imagine it. See, I'm selecting here in the camera. This table not behaving at all according to this selection. If I click on laptop, nothing is happening. Okay, so because there is no relationship between these two tables. Now I am going to be build a relationship on this product ID, on this product ID. Okay, on this, so you can see one to many relationship. The Power BI understand this is the dimension table, this is a fact table. Always dimension table contains one unique information, guys, primary key. Okay, and fact table contains foreign key. And always the dimension table is smaller than fact table. Fact tables are very big in real time, and generally fact tables are very big. Okay, now let's see. So I build the relationship, one to many relationship. You can see This dimension table will go and check in this table. Okay, for this product, how many sales happened? Arrow mark you can identify here. Okay, now go to the data report view. See guys, now the relationship build these two tables right in background here in the model part. Now if I click on camera, see camera is there. Okay, you can see here these are the customers, they all purchase this camera, the order date are this ship date is this, the price of this one, the cost is this, the discount is this, the quantity is 3. Okay, when I click on laptop, no transaction happen on laptop. If I click on phone, yes, there is a transaction on phone. You can see the phone purchased from these customers. Asif, Imran, Kiran, Sayed. Okay. So the order date, ship date, the price, the cost, the discount. Right. So it's behaving based on my selection right here. If I click on TV, no transaction on TV. Okay. If I click on this, the data will reflect back. Okay. If no relationship, it won't reflect on according to this. Now you can see guys, when I'm selecting in this table and anywhere, it will reflect against this. See, if I click on this product ID, it's behaving because I have joined on this product ID to this product ID. Okay, excuse me. So if I click on this product ID, it's interacting in this product ID only, correct? You can see it's interacting when you click on this. See, this product ID, this product ID has been built relationship. Okay, now this product ID has a relationship, means if I click on this product, it means this is camera only, right? And this is color is a gray only, correct? When I click on this product ID, the product ID belongs to this only, this record, correct? So if I click on anywhere, it will be reflect because this ID belongs to this whole record, correct guys? This whole, so wherever you click, it says this is camera. Okay, so from which ID it's joining, this ID. Okay, it will go and check the information. Yes, this camera belongs to this. Okay, if I click on gray, okay, this gray color belongs to this phone belongs to this product ID, so then it will go and filter out. Okay, so that is how the relationship between fact table and dimension tables. Now when I click on this table, it's reflecting. Okay, when I select here something, is it will be reflect guys, this dimension table? Anybody? Now if I click on this product ID, it's filtering, correct? This data will get filtering. Okay, the camera has been purchased these 3 customers, and this is a cost, this is a discount, this is a quantity. Okay, and if I click on this table, is it will be filter out? Can anybody answer this? You understand my topic?
I think yes.
All of you understand my topic?
Yes, bro, but it's a confusion.
So when I select something here, it's filtering. This data is filtering. The same way, when I select here from this end, is it filtered?
No, Imran.
Why?
No, no. Yes, it should be.
So the relationship here, one to many, primary key to foreign key. The dimension table to fact table. The arrow mark is moving from dimension table to fact table, not from fact table to dimension table, right?
Yes.
Okay, and see, when I select on this product, see guys, this is not reflecting at all. See, nothing is happening. So when I change the relationship. Okay, so this relationship I'll keep bi-direction. So you can see here, this is also interview question, guys. This is also interview question. What is directions? How many what is cross filtering? What is single? What is single and what is both? Okay, so this is bi-directional. I'm keeping. Just see here. See, this is called bi-direction, guys. Okay, what is filtering in modeling? They will ask. It means if you want to be filtered data on both sides, then you'll go for bi-direction. If you want data in a single side, you'll go for single direction. Okay, single filtering. So let's see now. See guys, it's got filtered, right? Now it's filtering, right?
Yes, sir.
Now if I click here, this side also will filter. Okay. So if I change the relationship, double click, just make it single direction. Okay, just make it single direction. Single direction means always remember dimension to fact table arrow mark is correct, guys. 1 2 minute. Okay, always this one product has been purchased from the different customers, right? This one product has been purchasing from the different customers. Now you can see this camera doesn't mean you only has to purchase. I can also purchase, right? The camera is unique, but customers are duplicates. Correct? The camera is unique. The phone is unique. Okay, the phone can be iPhone. You also can purchase. I can also purchase. Okay, the product is the same, but it's purchasing from by different customers. Okay, so that the dimension table contains unique information record. The fact table contains duplicate records. Okay, and the fact tables are very big. Okay, so hope this will be given so much clear. Okay, now in upcoming classes also we'll build a relationship like this. Okay, now you understand. So I'll create one example here. So user wants to understand how many products has been sold. Okay, user wants to understand how many products has been sold. So I can see guys here, i'm taking I'm taking one chart. Okay, so there is a product name. Okay, how many products has been sold I want to present. Okay, there is a product name and there is a price. Okay, so I have only these two products, camera and phone, and sold. I mean these two products has been only sold, right? Only camera, phone only, no TV, no laptop, nothing. Okay, now the filters here I'll keep in the slide. Sorry, control Z. So I'm taking here. Okay, fine. I'll just delete this. Okay, I'm taking this pie chart. I'm presenting product name and price. Okay, the product name and price I'm presenting here. Now when user will select filter. Okay, when user will select filter like a how many phones has been sold, how many laptops has been sold, you want to. Okay, now see, when I click on this camera, it will show how many cameras has been sold. Okay, if I click on this camera, okay, camera has been sold 450. Okay, laptop, no. Okay, no laptop has been sold. The phones 400. TV, no sales on TV. Okay, now I can see guys from which table I'm taking this slicer. From which table?
Dimension table.
From dimension
Dimension.
table. Okay, so this dimension table only go and check in the fact tables, right? How many cameras has been sold, how many laptops has been sold. Correct. So always remember, whenever you are taking the filters, you have to take from dimension table, guys. A small example here. If you go to the Flipkart, If you go to the Flipkart, so see, this all belongs to like a filters also you can apply, right? Filters also you can apply. For example, uh, this all the product information, guys. Okay, this all the product information. So this this product you also can purchase. I also can purchase, but it's showing unique. Okay, this phone or this watch is a unique pieces here. Okay, this product can be sold from you or from me or anybody. Okay, if I click on this product, okay, if I click on this product, so when I order this product, you can see guys here, there is a filters right here. There is a filters. Okay, in this filters, you can set minimum price, maximum size, and brand also. Okay, so these are all unique brands. These are all unique brands. Okay, so if I click on any of the brand, according to that, my data will reflect. According to this bill shape, my data will be filtered. According to this discount, my data get filtered. According to this star color, my data will reflect. According to this display type, the same way, guys. Same way, this all dimension tables columns. Okay, you can see there is no any numeric values data here. No, right? You can see. For example, see, this is Android iOS kind of information. Instead of this, I'm keeping here for product name and color also I can keep as a slicer here. Color. Okay. So I have two colors here. According to my color selection, I mean what color product has been sold. I want to show. Okay. So if I click on black, so this is black color. If I click on gray, according to my color. If I click on white, so no sales on white. So you can see here, according to my selection, the data reflecting here. So the filters has to be give more information and based on your selection. Okay, it has to filter. So always remember, guys, from the dimension table only you have to take slicers, nothing but the filters. Okay, so based on this, you can see if I select on this, only Android values are reflecting. See the filters, clear all filters. So Android I selected, right? So according to Android, only Android information is coming. Okay, if I click on uh, usage here, so again in that filtering. So if I want to be dial shape, so circle, see in that again filtering. So according to my selection, see this many filters has been applied. The same filters, camera only have gray color, guys. Okay, so no option. Now you can see here, I enter some of the data here in this. Okay, so let's see. Now I got uh, phones in that, in this dimension table. Okay, okay, I have some of the information like TV sales there, TV sales, sorry, no TVs. Okay, okay, I am taking TV sales also happen on my sales. Okay, so this is a TV code, right? Now the TV is 200. Okay, the cost is 190. Sorry, 190. The discount is 10 rupees. The quantity is 2. The 0301 2022. The ship date not available. Okay, the username can be Imran only. Okay, so again the same product has been purchased by someone. Okay, so he can be Sonu. Okay, so this same product can be purchased by someone. He can be Anil. Okay, so you can see three more records has been added because the sales are happening on products. Okay, the sales are happening. Now, when I refresh the data, when I refresh the data, you can see the data is going to be added to my table. So for example, so far I didn't refresh the application. So let's see. So the data here I'm taking product name and price. Only these two columns I'm taking. So far we have only two products sold. So let's see. I am going to be increase the format of this table. The values. Okay. Now column headers also. Okay. So this is my information. Now let's see. So far I had this many records. Now three more records has been added. Okay. I mean sales are started. Okay. Now we just refresh here. We just refresh. See guys, one more came and added. Got it? You got it right? So before TV was not sold. Now TV also started selling. Now the same way laptop sales also started. Laptop sales also started. So there is a customer. 500 is the laptop. Cost is 400. The discount is 100 rupees. The quantity is 2. And the order date can be 05/03/2022. So it can be like Hassan. Okay. So one customer purchased laptop. Okay. So always see fact table only going to be increased, not dimension table. Okay. Now if you refresh your application, see guys, if you refresh, the new data going to be added to your table. You can see here the chart also changing. Refresh. See laptop also added. Correct. Now if I click on camera, see this is a camera and this is the price of that. If I click on laptop, how many laptops has been sold? If I click on phone, how many phone? If I click on TV, how many? Okay, so we have some of the colors here. If I click on black, so the black colors is phone. If I click on gray, it belongs to camera. If I click on white, see in that white, laptop and TVs are available. Correct? Got it? So the business people will check which color brand has been sold more, what color it is, what product it is, okay, what is the size of the product, from which location it is, who is the customer. For example guys, I want to know which product and purchased by the customer. Okay, so I have customer name also here, so I will add customer name here. Now how many people has been purchased this white color products? Okay, let's see guys, the white color product has been purchased this many customers. Okay, in that customers, which product they have taken? White product is laptop and TVs are there. This many customers has taken. I want to know. Okay, white products are these. In that TV, okay, these three people has been sold TV. I'm sorry, has been purchased TV. Okay, so the laptop only Hassan has been purchased. Okay, got it, guys. The dimension table and fact tables relationship. It's very important in real time. If you're not understanding this, it's very difficult. Okay, always the dimension table will go and check how many products has been sold. Okay, it's very simple example. Very simple example, guys. Okay, so this dimension table, see, very small, nothing. Okay, in fact tables. Okay, this sales happening in Flipkart. Okay, so how many products has been selling from this list? That sales information contains in fact table. Okay, so how it will identify means this product ID is there, right? With this product ID, the information will be captured in this fact table. Okay, okay, this product, this price. Okay, when they, why it is with the product codes or location code or any item code, it will be available in fact table as well as in dimension table. Okay, if it is in same table, guys, if it is in same tables, it's like phone P0001 black, customer is Imran, price, cost, discount, like this. Okay, but this is why they introduce this fact table and dimension table means that is for flexibility, guys. Okay, that is for flexibility, because easily can filter the information, easily we can add, we easily we can remove, easily we can modify. Okay, this all things part of ETL, this all part of ETL. So what we have done, so we just done extraction, transforming, and we did presentation also. Correct, we did in the form of presentation in the charts. Correct. So the table information can be kind of format of table. Okay, so extraction, transformation, presentation. So these all ETL activities, guys. So what I have done, I just extracted data. Okay, I did transform data here from Power Query editor. They will ask you specifically, do you have knowledge in Power Query editor? Yes. Okay, and yesterday I have sent you the building blocks of Power BI, and views are Power BI. Okay, there is a some difference. So what views in Power BI? This Power View, Data View, Model View. These three views are belongs to Power BI desktop. Building blocks in Power BI. Building blocks. So anybody follow that shots, screenshots, guys? Anybody? So data sets. Data set. So this is the data set, right? This is the data set. From this data set, I'm presenting the visuals, right? By using these visuals. Correct? So data sets, visuals. Okay. What else in that list? Building blocks. No one.
Reports, dashboards, tiles.
Yeah. So this is the reports, guys. These pages are there, right? We are working on these individual pages, right? This is called reports. Okay. In Power BI desktop, always will develop reports. Dashboards will develop in Power BI services that I'll coming classes will discuss. Okay. Reports, dashboards, data sets, visualizations, this all building blocks, because this is the main things, components. Okay, so keep touch with the subject, guys, then only you'll understand. Okay, how the tables will behave, what is the relationship, why this relationship only. Okay, this all matters. So tomorrow we're going to be work parallelly with SQL and Power BI. Okay, so for your understanding, I created this data, guys. Okay, this fact table and dimension table. If you understand this concept, it will be very easy. Okay, and remember, the fact table contains one ID. The dimension table contains also one ID. The ID nothing but a primary key, foreign key, guys. Okay, this is primary key. This product is a primary key. Primary key means, primary means what? Single, unique. Okay, foreign key means reference of that primary key. Okay, so with this reference, it will identify how many transactions happened on this. Correct. So you can see this product is 4 times transaction happened. Okay, so you can see the product is single. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if Any doubts, please ask me.
No, we don't have option to record the session.
There is an option but recording, because if I record, few people will take advantage, like send me this recording. Today I'm not able to join. Yesterday I had work. This and all, I will send this. So if you have any doubts, you please approach me. You ask. I'll try my level best to explain. But you should practice, else I can't be help out.
Sir,
Yes, and please.
so types of cardinalities, sir.
Types of
Cardinality.
yes. So if you see here in the model, if you double click, so I can see here cardinality. Okay, I didn't discuss it. Just I want to be show that relationship. Okay, fine. Now what relationship here? One to many, right? You
Sir,
can see one to many. So if you change this one to one, the cardinality you selected isn't valid for this relationship. For example, just keep it here. Now the table here is between this fact dimension table and fact table relationship by default one to many is showing. Okay, because the data, the Power BI knows this product it's repeating many times in the fact table, so automatically the many to one relationship happened between these two tables. If I select forcefully one to one, see the cardinality you selected isn't valid for this relation, because according to this data set, one to one relationship not happening. Okay, and the same time one to many, the one to many also, see the cardinality you selected isn't valid for the relationship. One to many means many to one, one to many both are same, but here in first position the fact table is there, in second position dimension table is there. So the fact table many, the dimension table is one, correct? The fact table is star symbol. Star symbol means many. Here dimension table is one. But if you select this one, it's considered in the first position is the fact table is a one, the dimension table is a star. No, it's not correct, right? So that is not allowing. If you go to many relationship, this is also it won't accept. Okay, but according to this data, the information here is many to one. See, this is clear.
yes, sir. Good, sir.
Okay, but in real time scenarios, many to many relationship will come. I'll show you how to resolve that. Okay, by default, Power BI will consider what relationship is required.
Okay, sir.
The option here is only you can change this one, guys.
Good.
This cross filtering direction you can change, but Power BI will decide what relationship has to build. Okay,
Yes, sir.
any doubts?
Yeah.
So you can select the tables here, what tables you want. So we have only for two now. Okay, now see the fact table is in first position, so that many to one is considering. Now if I select dimension table here fact table, you can see one to many it's coming. See here, got it?
Yes, sir.
So Power BI knows what is a one for single record primary key, what is a foreign key.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So we'll discuss in tomorrow's session, guys. Please practice. That's difficult. Anything else to discuss here?
So what about schema table?
Sorry?
Schema type.
Schema table.
Yeah. So this is a schema, guys.
Oh,
This is a schema. Okay, you're building the relationship, right? Okay, so the same way, like this, the dimension table we add it here. So we'll discuss. Okay, in pick section I will tell you. So for example, So you have location here. Just imagine. Okay, fine. I'll show you. So this is the, just imagine. So this is one table, dimension table, and this is fact table, centralized fact table. Okay, central is the fact table, and this is dimension table. This is dimension table. This is dimension table. Okay, so this dimension table joining with this table, and this is joining with this, and this is joining with this, and this is joining with this. Okay, this looks like star, right? This is fact table. Okay, this is fact table, and these are dimension table. Okay, these are dimension table. So the dimension table joined with the fact tables. Okay, this is called star schema. This is called star schema. So this dimension table joining with the fact table, this dimension table. Okay, if this dimension table joining with other dimension, okay, okay, this dimension table joining with other dimension, this is called snowflake schema. Okay, so in upcoming tomorrow mostly I will discuss that. Okay, the same way the other dimension will come and join with these fact tables. Okay, so it looks like star. So you can see here. Okay, so I'll tell you what is snowflakes and what is star schema. A star schema, this is also star schema only, guys. Okay, this one also star schema. The fact table will be centralized, the dimensions around joining with this table. Okay, that is star schema. So let's discuss that. See here, this many tables we have, right? Here, this many tables. So this all tables will load into the Power BI. The schema will be built as same like this only. Okay, how these two tables we created. The same way, these tables also will build the relationship here. Okay, let's see. The schema is nothing but is a combination of fact table and dimension tables. Okay, with the primary key foreign key relationship. Primary key is a dimension table, foreign key is a fact table. Okay. Then any apart from that?
Yeah.
Okay. So chalo, we'll catch up in tomorrow's session.
Thank you, sir.